Welcome to UGC Net student, and today topic I will be discussing about the TOC. Very important concept is called what is called converting context-free grammar into Greibach normal form (GNF). Okay, and the procedure here is suppose you will be provided any context-free grammar. We should not directly convert context-free grammar into Chomsky normal form. Before that, you want to check whether such a given grammar is already simplified context-free grammar. If it is yes, then we can directly convert into Chomsky normal form. Otherwise, first you want to convert given grammar into simplified context-free grammar, then only we go for Chomsky normal form. Okay, so this is a procedure. And now what is the rule of converting any grammar into Chomsky normal form? Chomsky normal form usually have only two rules. Rule number one is any production left hand side non-terminal should produce single terminal followed by any number of non-terminal should be there. Okay, and then otherwise non-terminal should produce terminal. Okay, so these are the two rules you want to follow while converting given context-free grammar into Chomsky normal form. And format example are A tends to capital B, capital C, and then A tends to A, small a. Okay, so like that you want to do it. Now I am going to take one context-free grammar. S tends to capital A, capital B, capital A, or S tends to capital B, capital A. Then other rules here, A tends to small a, capital A, or A tends to A, or capital B tends to small b, capital B, or capital B tends to small b. Okay, now from this grammar, so it is already simplified context-free grammar because no unit production, no epsilon production, no useless symbol, all are used. Okay, now here A tends to small a, capital A, or A tends to A. Okay, now this is already in Chomsky normal form, and B tends to small b, capital B, or B tends to B. These two rules also already in Chomsky normal form. The only production rules which are not in Chomsky normal form are S tends to capital A, capital B, capital A, or S tends to capital B, capital A. Okay, so now we want to convert these two production rule into Chomsky normal form. For that, if you are looking first symbol of this rule as well as first symbol of this rule, we can substitute this capital A by small a, capital A, as well as this capital A by small a. Like that, for this particular capital B, we can substitute simply replacing this capital B by B followed by capital B, or and this capital B by small b. Okay, so that is the simple rule. So now I am substituting such rules here. I am getting S tends to, this capital A is replaced by small a, capital A. Like that, this capital A replaced by small a, then followed by remaining two non-terminal there. And like that, for this rule, this capital B replaced by small b, capital B, and followed by A as it is there. Then this capital B replaced by small b alone followed by A there. Okay, so now we got for these two rules we are getting totally 4 rules. And finally I am writing down all the 4 rules followed by already present in GNF as it is, and this is final Chomsky normal form, sorry, Greibach normal form. Okay, thank you for watching.